Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off Shein notification. So in the Shein application itself, you'll not be able to turn off the notification. For that, what you have to do is access the device settings. So what you have to do is open the settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Now what you have to do is find the option for notifications and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the notifications over here. What you have to do is find the option for app settings and tap on it. Now you'll be able to control the notification for individual applications. You'll be able to see all the apps over here. Find the application for Shein and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to manage the Shein notifications. If you would like to turn off the individual notification, what you have to do is simply toggle off the button right next to the notification that you want to turn off. Likewise, if you want to turn off all the Shein notifications, toggle off the button right next to the option for all Shein notifications. Now after you do that, you'll no longer receive the notifications from Shein. So that is how you turn off Shein notifications. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.